Hello, my name is Philip Ross, and today I'm going to show you the demo for the Quickler reporting system. I'm going to start with the short demo and then I'll show you the full demo so that you can have an idea of the entire system. So to find the system, if you haven't already, you'll find it on the website, and if you go on there you'll find a button that says try the live demo. If you click on that, you'll get taken to the page on my phone. You can scan that with your mobile phone, or if you're already on your mobile phone, scroll down and you'll find a button that says open in WhatsApp. There will be a pop-up that comes up, and at that point just dismiss it. What you can do now is say hello, and then you will get a response in the system giving you three options. The first one being for the fast demo, the second one being for the full demo, and the final one being to contact me. We're going to go through the fast demo first. You can reply saying 1 or fast. That will then ask you for some basics about the building. So the system currently thinks that it is an existing building report for a structural engineer, but if you were a quantitative surveyor or someone else who goes to a site and takes photos and notes, then the system is still useful for you. It's just for this demo you'll have to pretend that you're a structural engineer. I have come to my local church and I'm going to just use this building as a demonstration. So you can text the information. Let's say you're on a building site and there's hammers and noises around you, or alternatively you could just use a voice message. I'm going to use a voice message. The building is a detached church with a spire. It is over 100 years old. It's made of red sandstone and it is one story. It is probably 10 meters high, and there is some timber framing in the roof, but it is mostly stone and masonry construction. And then the demo then asks you for a photo, so I'm going to go and take a photo now. I'll run away, and I'm going to include a caption in this saying view of church. That will do. And then that photo will be put into the report. It will demonstrate what a cover photo would look like, and then there will be two photos in the main body of the report, all using the same photo to demonstrate what it's like having two columns of photos. And the report has now arrived, so I can now click on that report and have a look at it. You can see it says it's a Quickler Reports demo. It's a sample report generated by Quickler, and there's a job number, and it says it's a demo, and then there's stuff you can read through when you use the demo. But you can see there that the demo shows quite nicely the church there. And if we go back to WhatsApp, it will say what's your email address. So that's if you want to get emailed the report. So if I enter my own email address, and that will now send an email of that report to me. The next thing is a new report. So let's say we say new again. So every time you want to have a new report, you just simply say new. So we're back to that menu where it says fast, full, and other types available. So if I go for the full demo now, so this is to save you from typing the address. You can of course still type the address. On Android you press the paperclip, on Apple you press the plus. So I will be pressing the paperclip, and then you select location, and once it's worked out where you are in the world, you can send your location to it. Anyway, once it's done that, it's worked out I'm at All Souls Church in Invergowrie. It will then ask me for the building basics again, and so I'm going to just make up some more stuff again about this church. It is a 100-year-old red sandstone church. It has masonry walls. Now, what this will now do is it will send you a message saying, you forgot these things, because that's useful. So I haven't mentioned the roof, the external walls, the windows, the internal layout, and the surfaces. So I could say the roof is made of slate and it's timber framed. The external walls have no cladding and it's just masonry the same masonry that holds up the structure. The windows and doors are fine, and there is heating. I'm just going to send the photo I took a few minutes ago because that's a bit easier for me. You could also send photos at any time, or you could send photos whenever you fancy. If you're wandering around a site and you see something, take a photo of that. It will ask for my name. My name is Philip, and then it will remember my email because I've already done it. Ask for my qualifications, which is BEng EME for electrical mechanical engineering, and then ask for my company name, which is Quickler. This time will be different because it will send a link which I can click on, and that allows me to approve the report and also edit the report, because there may be something you don't like or you've forgotten to add, which you can then add yourself. Now there's a report, so I'll show you that editing link. Awaiting approval, so I can, for example, delete all of this and replace it with hello. Now I can scroll all the way down to the bottom and put my signature and just approve report, and then back to WhatsApp I will get my finalized report, and then I can again just say new report. And that is the Quickler Report system. If you're interested, please get in contact, and if you're not, please also get in contact and tell me why you're not interested. Thank you.